you ever get that feeling?
So, no.
This week again. We're going to.
Closing the door on you.
Ew. Ew. My mother-in-law had. Now. Oh.
Right now. Oh my.
Oh my gosh, Jack's just got. What's up? Corners.
Let's go.
Excuse me.
But I'm strong. Excuse me. Daddy.
Before that. Dad.
Sorry, excuse me. So I have. Okay. Maybe I had too much ginger ale.